All right, guys, I'm back. Got all the gaskets off, the old ones, pretty ugly. They basically just came apart when I took this top part off right here. Anyways, got the new injectors in right there and here. I also have this new gasket that was in here. The old one, I will show you right now, is this one here. And that was pretty beat up. So, got these new gaskets in, nice and brand new, look at that. And then don't forget the one that goes back here, which I placed right here. This is the new one. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in. Oh, and I cleaned these off real good with some of this stuff here. It's supposed to be really good. Works on my quads. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these together. They are secured with these little torque bolts here. I forgot what size they are, but anyways, all right. The upcoming video is going to be the one of me starting this thing, and hopefully it stays on. All right, bye.